Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today my group will be presenting about Procyon Lotor. Here are the members. This is the content of this video.
So first, let's go through the taxonomic description. Procyon lotor, commonly known as the North American raccoon, is a species of mammal in the family of Procyonidae. It is characterized by its distinctive facial mask, ringed tail, and dexterous front paws. Raccoons are omnivores and adaptable, inhabiting a wide range of habitat across North and Central America. They are known for their intelligence and ability to thrive in urban environment, often becoming pests due to their scattering behavior. Next is the classification hierarchy. The kingdom is Animalia, the phylum is Chordata, the class is Mammalia, the order is Carnivora, the family is Procyonidae, which is raccoons and their relative, the genus is Procyon, and the species is Procyon lotor.
Let's move on to the next, which is habitats of Procyon lotor. One of the remarkable things about raccoons is they can grow vigorously in a wide range of habitats. Alright, first is forest. Raccoon in forest thrive in both deciduous and mixed forests, where they make dens in tree hollows, burrows, and leaf piles. And for their diets in forest, which includes nuts, fruits, small mammals, insects, and bird eggs. Secondly, you guys can find raccoons in wetlands and swamps area because these are one of the common places for them and they are well adapted to it, where water sources and dense vegetation provide ample shelter and food. Wetlands provide abundant food sources such as fish, crayfish, aquatic insects, and plants. The third one is urban areas. Raccoons are also adapted well to human-modified environments such as cities and suburban areas. They take advantage of humans for shelter and food, including raiding garbage cans and dumpsters. Last but not least is rural landscape, which is including farmlands, where they can find food in crops and barns.
Let's dive into the characteristics of these fascinating creatures. Raccoons are medium-sized mammals with a body length of about 16 to 28 inches and a tail length of 8 to 16 inches. For their appearance, they have a distinctive black mask of fur around their eyes and a bushy ringed tail. Their fur is grayish-brown with a dense underfur for isolation. Raccoons also have 5 toes on their front paws, which are dexterous and resemble human hands, aiding them in manipulating objects. Furthermore, the mode of nutrition of raccoon is omnivorous. They are opportunistic feeders and have a varied diet that includes fruits, nuts, insects, small animals, eggs, and human food scavenged from garbage bins, earning them the label of trash panda. Next, some of the general characteristics for Procyon lotor are they are primarily nocturnal creatures, active during the night and resting during the day. They exhibit high adaptability animals found in a variety of habitats ranging from forests to urban areas. They also are excellent climbers and are often found in trees where they forage for food or seek shelter. Raccoons also have a unique characteristic, which is they are intelligent because they can manipulate objects with their paws, opening latches, solving puzzles to access food. Moreover, their front paws have remarkable dexterity, allowing them to manipulate objects and even open containers. Lastly, raccoons exhibit a unique behavior of washing their food in water before eating, although this is believed to be more of a tactile than a cleaning one.
Now I will talk about life cycle of Procyon lotor, as known as raccoons. Raccoons reproduce sexually, and I will explain about sexual reproduction in raccoons. The first one is mating season. The mating season for raccoons typically occurs from January to March, though this can vary slightly depending on geographic location and environmental condition. The second one is mating behavior. During the mating season, male raccoons become more active and may travel long distance to find females. Males may engage in aggressive behavior and fight over access to females. Raccoons are generally polygynous, meaning a single male may mate with multiple females. The third one is courtship and copulation. The actual mating involves a period of courtship during which male may follow an attempt to mate with respective females. The act of copulation is relatively brief but can be repeated multiple times over several days. The fourth one is gestation. The gestation periods for raccoons last about 63 to 65 days. Pregnant females seek out secure nesting sites such as tree cavities or other shelter locations. The fifth one is birth and development of young. Most raccoon litters are born between April and June. Litter size typically range to 2 to 7 kids, with an average of around 3 to 4 kids. At birth, kids are blind, deaf, and helpless, relying entirely on their mother for care. The next one is maternal care. Female raccoons provide all the parental care, including nursing, grooming, and teaching the young how to forage and find shelter. Kids begin to open their eyes at around 3 weeks of age and start to explore their surroundings. Weaning occurs at about 8 to 10 weeks. The last one is independence. By late summer or early fall, the young raccoons become more independent and start to forage on their own. They may stay with their mother until the next breeding season, at which point they disperse to find their own territories.
Now, let's move on to the part of the importance of Procyon Lotor to our ecosystem and economy. First of all, as you can see, is seed dispersal. Raccoons are omnivores and consume a wide variety of foods, including fruits and nuts. As they forage, they can inadvertently transport seeds to new locations. By aiding in seed dispersal and contributing to plant diversity, it can also regenerating in various habitats. Second is predator-prey dynamics. Raccoons are predators of a wide range of small animals, such as insects, rodents, amphibians, and bird eggs. By controlling population of these species, raccoons help maintain predator-prey dynamics within the ecosystem. The third one is scavenging. Raccoons are opportunistic scavengers and often feed on carrion. By consuming dead animals, they help to clean up and recycle nutrients within the ecosystem, which can also have positive effects on nutrient cycling and overall ecosystem health. Fourth is ecosystem engineers. As you all know, raccoons are known to manipulate their environments by digging for food, creating dens, and nesting sites. These activities can have both positive and negative impacts on the ecosystem. For the positive effects, such as aerating soil, promoting plant growth through seed dispersal, and then while the negative one is potentially damaging crops or properties. Lastly, indicator species. Raccoons are sensitive to changes in their environment and can serve as indicator species for ecosystem health. Monitoring raccoon populations and behaviors can provide insight into broader ecological changes and potential threats to biodiversity. So, in overall, raccoons play multifaceted roles in ecosystem, contributing to nutrient cycling, seed dispersal, predator-prey dynamics, and serving as indicator of ecosystem health. Their presence and activities contribute to the overall balance and functioning of natural habitats. Apart from that, raccoons also hold some economic importance in various ways. So first of all, as you can see, is fur trade. Historically, raccoons were hunted for their fur and pelts that may be still sold as imitation of mink, otter, or silver. So although this industry has been declined significantly due to ethical concerns and regulations, there are still some regions where raccoon fur may hold some economic values. So the second one is ecotourism. So in some regions where raccoons are abandoned, there may be a draw for ecotourism. So wildlife enthusiasts may be interested in observing raccoons in their natural habitats. This will lead to economic opportunities for local tour guides, accommodation, and other related service. Next, as we all know, raccoon also can sometimes be considered as pests. This is because, especially in urban areas where they may break garbage cans, damage property, or spread disease. So this will create a demand for pest control service, which can contribute to local economy. Other than that, raccoons can also sometimes come into conflict with humans or domestic animals, leading to injuries and disease. So in this part, veterinary service may be required for treating injured or sick raccoons, which can also lead to economy of veterinary clinics and related business. Lastly, research and education. Raccoons are subjects of scientific research, especially in fields such as biology, ecology, and animal behaviors. Research grants, academic studies, and educational programs related to raccoons contribute to economic activity within the scientific community and educational institution. To sum up, while raccoons may not have a direct or any significant impact on the economy compared to other species, they still play a role in various economic sectors and activities.
Interesting facts. Did you know that raccoons have high IQ levels? When considering the mammal IQ scale, raccoon rank closer to human than most people would normally think. In general, monkey are ranked right below human, and great apes follows with raccoons, scoring average IQ levels below monkey. They are considered close to human IQ as well. In addition to their high IQ score, raccoons are known to have evolving intelligence and method of thinking. They are able to learn from past experience and engage in critical and problem-solving thinking when obstacle arises.